that Nathan said that Linux is better than FreeBSD, which is better than Windows, which is better than NixOS.
Oh, Nixos is still a Linux.
Yeah, that's actually true.
It's an unfair comparison.
I agree. Okay, so what is so let's establish some goals here.
Input sub. Okay.
Yeah, so I think that we should attempt to make this because we already have the map and the bind as far as I remember. Yeah. So
I
the
don't
map and the
remember
bind
what
are
the
here. The
thing.
wrap is here. We're not gonna follow the paper anymore, so we don't need this.
Also, you are giving up your dreams, isn't it? Your dreams of revolution.
What do you mean, man?
Yeah, you had dreams of revolution. I was preaching against it, and you were pushing it.
No, I would certainly do the paper way. I think it's more elegant, like I said. But because we want to get things done, and we already have something that we know works for our purposes, I think we
Oh,
can
so you're being
stick with this.
pragmatic.
Yeah, I'm following my Getty steps.
Yes, you're being pragmatic just like me.
Yeah.
Alright, so we need to. Let me see what he's doing there. So he's generating a new state that is getting the input, then you get the text, the length of the text, then you try to subtract one character out of the thing. And then if you can do that, you just split the thing with the input subtracted plus
Wait.
the
I want to
text
understand what this
on
input
the
sub
first
does.
position.
What is
It's
this?
just subtracting. Oh, okay.
Start, size, and the input. Then you basically create a new input.
Yeah, so he has the position, see? So that's because he can track which character you're tracking an error, for example, when you're parsing.
Okay, so I forgot. Just for the sake of the recording, we need to establish that we are doing a few steps back. And instead of following the paper, we are following two other references, one being Zozin Okemo parser, and the other one is
Parkour.
Scott. Right. Yeah.
Scott does the same thing there on
Yeah,
the
okay.
input.
Cool. And okay, we're gonna go from here then. Okay, so let's add this position back to the type then. I think it makes more sense. So the input is now a text and a position. Okay.
Okay.
So do we need this input sub?
No, I don't think so.
Because I'm kind of thinking we don't have a. How are we gonna do this operation without this
I
function?
think there is already a function to subtract stuff
Hmm.
on Erlang.
Do we have slicing as we do in Lisp?
We have a split on Erlang.
Oh. Yeah, but that's not an LFA thing, right?
No, that's Erlang. You need to do Erlang strings.
Erlang strings.
Remember
Okay.
what? Yeah, remember what LFA is? It's Lisp flavored Erlang, so it's still Erlang.
Yeah, but it has some
Unfortunately.
different things going on also, I would say. Where is the crap? Here?
Okay, so you just do a string split and then you pass the. Oh no.
What did you discover just now, friend?
Okay, there is a substring, but that's not what we want. It's not subtracting. The split will split by a thing, so we want a slice, I think.
Slice here.
Yes.
Okay, so you pick the string and the start and the length. Yeah, that's exactly what we want.
Yeah.
That's precisely what we want. Okay. So let's do it then. So the first parser that you're gonna make is the any char one. And if any questions pop up, this will be in the references part, like in the description or whatever. We need to give credit to Zozing on this one. And Scott for that matter. Okay, so we're gonna have the fun. Let's call this any char. Like this. And what this does? This picks what? This picks a char?
And
I think that's it, don't?
Yeah, it's just a char to bind, right? That's it.
Wait, is this type signature saying that he's returning a parser of a char? Or am I
Yes.
going crazy?
It's returning a parser with a char inside.
Yeah, so we don't need to do that in here, I guess, because we don't have types or whatever
Yeah,
crap.
so you just send the char, that's right.
Yes, but we do need to make the boilerplate. So parser, I guess, and then run.
It's beautiful. What do you mean, man? Boilerplate.
It is 100%
It's a
boilerplate.
derogatory term.
It is 100%. Okay, and then the
Dude, it's the
next.
same treatment. I just noticed that. I was doing blindly.
Uh,
He's also doing a lambda, then he binds the thing inside the lambda, which is the length. We don't need to do that.
don't we?
No,
Are
no,
you
that's...
sure?
Oh, we can do a let if you want. Just do a
Yeah,
let
no.
then.
Yeah, because you're gonna need it later for doing things like this. So I
Well,
think we actually need it.
you can just do function application, right? That's the
Uh,
only thing you need.
yeah, that's true. So length. Oh, this is a
Try using
keyword.
another word. Yes.
Len. How do you call Erlang functions again? I already kind of
Yeah,
forgot.
just that. But I think it's just on string, so you don't need Erlang. Just string to column. Yeah.
And then slice,
hmm
and then
And then it's the string and
start and the
the
length.
position.
Okay, so it's gonna be 0. So the input text actually. How do you get the fields? You discover something like that. Is like this?
Uh, yes, but
Just kinda meh.
you do like a function call. So between parentheses.
Oh, like this.
Why any char with a slash, man?
Sorry?
Yeah, like that. But and then you pass the input.
Then I pass the input.
Input text space input. It's an
Oh,
argument for
okay, like
this.
this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we do start and length. Okay, so the no wait, this is the no man, we are doing crap. This is already the slicing. We are calculating the length only. So the length,
Oh yeah, we're crazy.
yeah.
Yeah,
We don't
let's
know what we're
just.
doing.
Oh no, what did
Uh,
wipe out? You just need to change the name.
no, that's fine. String, it's string or strings?
String.
String, nice. And then here we do input text input. Is that right? Is that the right amount of parentheses also?
Seems to be.
Seems like it. Seems to be.
No,
Okay,
it's
that's nice.
wrong actually.
It's wrong.
Add a parenthesis on the end.
At the end, you say. Oh, there's actually missing 2, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm using the extension to already like close the
Oh, they're
parentheses.
colored. You can see them.
Yeah, okay, so next step, actually, after getting this, is to do a slicing, right?
Yeah.
But he's
So,
doing a
oh,
try
but
catch
that
because this may
makes
fail.
What happens? Can you spawn on a REPL? Let's
Yeah.
test that on the REPL. What happens if you try to slice something that doesn't exist in a string?
If it's always it's run LFA.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do I have my? Yeah. I already forgot how to do this, by the way.
The same thing, man. The same thing you're doing. Like slice, string, slice.
No. I mean, how do I load this into the here? Like, there is a trick
Oh,
that I always forget.
select. You
Se-
select.
select like this.
No. You go to the other thing. Oh, you can't do that on. That's a feature on Slime. On here, it's different. So you need to mark everything, and then you do
Mm-hmm.
meta X. And then I think search for LFA compile. Yeah.
Error. Nice.
Yeah, didn't. So there's something wrong
You are
probably with
expanding. What? This
comments.
is an error with the example. With some example. What the crap?
With the
Did I save
comments.
this? Oh, I didn't.
No, but wait, there's something wrong on line 38. Can you activate the lines?
Uh, lines.
Linux mode.
Linux mode. Yeah. Yeah, but it's
Oh,
gonna be
your
broken.
theme. Yeah. The
That's
theme
why I
can't
didn't
retire.
activate it. That's
Yeah.
why.
Just do meta G.
Go to
38.
38.
Why is it?
Uh,
So it's failing on explaining this macro. Where is this macro being defined?
which macro exactly we're talking about?
Comment. Comment.
Comment. Oh,
Yeah.
up there. Here.
I thought that was right.
Yeah, no, this is something really, really weird. Because
Try
I don't
to.
think we changed the map or the run for that matter.
Yeah. Try to evolve. Try to select just a part of the code, like the comment, and press Ctrl C, Ctrl R. Yeah, so that evolves. But then it's saying like undefined comment. Try to evolve the comment.
Okay,
And
that
try
worked.
again.
Where is the thing? Oh, here. Here.
Dude,
Here,
what the heck,
expanding
man?
comment. Unbound symbol new. This was working last time around, wasn't it?
Oh, I think that there's. Dude, type in new
Wait, is this
on the
not
repo.
because this is
No,
here?
I don't- type new on the type new on the terminal. Please do that. You gotta be joking me. There's no new in LFA.
But that
Type.
doesn't make. But this was working last time around, man.
I don't remember.
No,
But it might be
it
the version.
was.
Might be the version of LFA. Just change the new on the comment to empty list. Quote and then empty list.
Empty list like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's stupid.
Yeah, it worked. Nice.
It's stupid.
Okay, so yeah, we should definitely comment this out. Control X, Control this,
Control this.
Control semicolon. Anyway, so where we were doing something important. I already forgot. Oh, it's because the slicing can fail. I
Yes, we
remember
need
that.
to test if it throws an error. So go to the terminal, to the REPL, and try to do a slice on something that should break.
No,
No,
stringer length
oh, man,
slice.
your brain's not working today, man.
Yeah.
Parentheses.
I don't know. Hello world. Starting from 0. And now it's the length, is that correct?
I think it's just one position, right?
What do you mean? Position?
Is it like start and finish? I don't remember.
Yeah. Yeah, length, okay.
Just two.
So let's pick 20.
No, man, I don't think it's just one parameter, and you're not in between parentheses.
Oh yeah, I forgot already. Wait, there is a thing. Oh, here.
Meta p, yeah. And I don't think it's two parameters.
Isn't the start in the end? Yeah.
No, no, man. Oh, there are two of them. I look at the first one. That's why. But I don't think you need the two, the start and the end. You can just do the start.
No, we need the length. That's how Zozing is doing.
Okay, but well, if it does with only one safely, I don't think we need.
Oh, there's another there. The parentheses are wrong again because this is like this because this is Erlang.
No, no. It's just the Erlang function. It doesn't mean it's this evoked in the same way as Erlang. Okay. Now decrease 20 by how many characters does it have?
Definitely less than 20.
4.
Man.
Yeah, try 2. Yeah, so it works.
No, it doesn't, man.
It does.
No, it doesn't because
It's
no, it doesn't because this should fail if you are trying to do like n-1 of length in here and it fails. You should throw an error. There's no way we can throw an error. I guess.
Well, you check by the lengths. You need to check the length.
Oh, okay, that sucks, but okay. Okay, so I guess here, yeah. So we
No.
need to do the if now. Wait, we're gonna check what exactly? I'm confused.
So go back there to. Okay, let's look at his code. It's up there on the code. Go back. It's
Here.
already there. Yeah. So he's doing subtracting one character with the entire length minus one.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the start and the end, right?
Oh.
So it's the opposite, is it? Let's think actually, because
Oh no
what is the
no.
first?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So
Because think about this. What is the first guy? It's the new state, right? That you matched in the shit. Is that right?
no, we don't have to do
No, never
matching, man,
mind.
because it's any
No, no,
character.
no, no, dude, no. Wait, it's the input without that guy, right? So it's like it's the so it would be one length in that case. It's always going to be like that. Is that correct?
Wait, can you repeat
Like,
that?
look at what he's saying. Like, it's matching a char, right? So you need to match the head of the string,
Yeah,
correct?
no, this is the head.
No, wait. Focus on the input text. So you need to match the head of the string, which is just the first guy. So you do subtract the first position and generate a new state of the input, which is the first position of the tuple, which is the string subtracted off the head, just getting the tail.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think we can use tail. If there is a string tail or a list tail, probably works in a string because Erlang treats them as.
There's no string.
Is there a tail for lists? Check it there. Oh no, it's on pattern matching. Oh no. Yes, we don't. Okay, that sucks.
We don't have
Um,
tail in lists. Yeah, that
yeah, that
sucks.
sucks. But
Okay,
anyway,
but
like,
yeah, but I'm not getting the point, because for me, what is he's doing? He is removing.
so the
He's
first
picking a
position
substring from
is
the
the new.
second to the last one, and then
Yes.
if this works,
No, no.
then if this works, he's
Yes.
returning this,
No,
which is
it's
the
not
head.
if this works, return this. It's if this entire expression works, return a tuple of the new input without the head plus the
The
output
parsed parse.
of the
Yeah, okay. The
parser.
parsed parse. Okay. So
Yeah.
he's removing the head, and
Yeah.
he's basically getting the head and saying, I parsed this. That's
Yes.
fine. And if something goes wrong along those lines, he's basically returning an error.
Mm-hmm.
That seems fine. Yeah, so what we need to do here is basically the same, I guess.
Yeah.
Isn't that right?
Yeah.
So how
I
you
think
do
so.
tuples here again? I always forget this. It's
You
impressive.
they'll have the keyword
Oh,
tuple.
tuple.
Yeah.
Tuple. Okay, so
But then don't forget
parentheses.
we have success, which is our poorest man.
Okay, so tuple. And then we're gonna
Yeah.
have the
Subtract it.
probably parentheses in here.
Yeah, probably. You just guess.
Yeah, so string slice. Then we do the input text,
Mm-hmm.
right? So it's gonna be again this mess.
Input
Input.
text.
Then
Yeah.
we pass the start, and then we pass the len -1.
Mm-hmm.
And after this, we also return a success, right? So what is the success thing again? Is the success and a
Um,
value. So
but
it's
wait,
gonna
it's not
be.
zero, right? It's one.
Oh yeah, sorry for that. It's 1 here. Okay, and here it's gonna be success.
Yeah.
And the value it's gonna be the head. Do we have heads?
I don't think so.
Something's
I
commenting.
doubt. Mageta, let's do the
Yeah.
next programming language project in Ruby. No, thank you, man. You're crazy, man. You're crazy.
Do we have
We're doing
heads?
Ruby and Elixir. It's already that's doing Elixir already.
Not in lists. Do we have?
I bet Nathan would love Ruby, man. That's so lovely.
And we don't have heads here.
Imagine that pretty
How
syntax.
nice. Head.
Oh, you can search there. That's nice.
Kernel.
Yeah,
Interface.
because in Erlang you pattern match, so it doesn't. It makes sense that people didn't bother making a function.
Wait! We can pattern match here exactly as we are doing in Erlang?
I don't know. Can we?
Because if we can, that's gonna not so bad because we can
Yeah,
pattern match
but
the head and the
how can
tail.
we pattern match the tail, the head and the tail? That's a special thing in Erlang. I don't know how to do that here. Try to do that on the REPL. Let's see.
Okay.
So try to do
It's something like this, right?
parentheses.
Oh, and by the way, this is kind of small, so Control X, Control Plus. Okay.
Yeah. So parentheses equals, and then do that thing that you were doing.
Brackets?
This is not gonna work. Yes, that seems pretty strange. A and B, A, which H, but with the pipe. Yes, add T. Yeah, and then like I don't know a list. So parentheses.
How do you do? Oh, it's list. I always forget.
There is no way this is going to work, man.
I don't think so as well. No, without the quote. Without the quote.
1, 2, 3.
List before 1. No, before the 1. No.
Before the
inside
1
the
here.
list, man, it's Lisp inside it. Yes. Okay, try.
But we didn't do
list
list like this back in the day.
You do?
Undefined function.
Equal. Okay,
equal.
there's no equal. Nice.
So there's no equal.
Meta P. Let's try case.
Case here?
Case, yes, this might work. And then just put the list, so delete the scrap, the equals and the
Okay.
yes. And then after this, the next expression is gonna be open a list, parentheses. Oh, list, yeah. Another list. No, another list, parentheses.
Oh, you're calling parentheses list.
And then call list.
List.
A. And then just B.
B, like this.
Yes. And then try to print. Like A and B. Space. No, you don't need that. No,
space.
Yeah. Just
it's like this, okay.
Just in parentheses.
IO something, right?
IO F right.
P, like this, and N, and I don't know.
And then now it's back.
No, just print something, right? Print.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
No case clause matching 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but this would never work, man.
The length, is wrong.
Add C. So yes, it matches, but it's not because there's no a new line. Print talk.
Okay, so we can better match this then, the list.
Yeah, we can better match. I think any expression. The point is, how do we get the head and the tail? Can you do just A? Ignore the length.
Can you do just A ignoring the length, you say? Like this?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
No.
Can you do just A instead of a list? Try that.
Yeah, we should also consult the manual there.
There's no manual, man. That's the problem.
You know it has one.
There's no manual. You're lying to yourself. That's a wishful thinking, man.
What do you want here?
There. A. Yeah. Okay, so it matched A.
Yeah. So it does work, man. But we just need to discover the syntax. It's fine.
There is nothing there, man. I really love it there. I'm gonna cry. This is such a torture. this thing here.
No. Okay. Yeah, not a lot of use of this part. Do we have list? List. Special actions.
How funny that there is nothing related to lists on the
Yeah, no,
list language.
the search system is something else. Definitely something else. But I have a bunch of other
Would
things
what
in
pisses
here.
me off
Hey,
the most?
but can't we use like car and stuff?
We
Car and
can.
cover.
Yeah.
Is there a car function? Search there.
No,
Dude, we're stupid. We forgot to use it. Oh, we can. Okay, Nathan's a genius. Nathan's a
That
rugby
is a
genius. Okay, so let's just use car and cutter. Check cutter.
Wait, so we don't need any of this?
Yes, that's stupid. Check cutter. Check cutter.
Like this?
Yeah. We do have it. Nice. Now just do the following. Check if you can do a car inside with a list with a string instead.
Oh, okay, that's
That's
cool.
something you can do in Lisp, I think. ABC.
So, hello.
That's the ASCII, right? For H,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Okay, but we can do it.
Yeah, so we can remove all this crap. So, everything from the blue dice. Okay.
You get to die.
Okay. So after this lambda, what we need to do is just return, right? So we're just gonna parentheses tuple. The first thing that we need to do is to pick the cadre of the text of the input. So it's gonna be this considering
What is the
input
failure conditional?
text. I don't know if we have a failure in this case because can we do this with an empty list?
I think we can.
Oh no, we can't.
Damn it. Okay, now we have an exception. That's interesting. Now we gotta learn how to do a try catch. Oh no.
How nice! Try catch. I bet we're never gonna find this one.
Yeah.
It was pretty hard to find pattern
Dude,
matching.
try. Literally try. No, literally go to the REPL and try. No, it's not worth it.
Try this
Mhm.
and then catch.
I don't think it's catch, but that's hope.
Is catch Oh no, it's not. Okay, so that's a bad
Only
sign.
double list. After catch, instead of catch, try double list.
Double list like this.
Yeah. And do nothing. Just that.
Bad form try. Okay, so we
So
do
there
have
is a
try.
Yeah, so instead of the double list, try double list with a another list inside. No, like a broader list. I mean, yeah. No. Like two lists, one side to the side.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense now. Like this?
Yes.
Bad form try.
Okay, now good luck for us clowns. Try to search that.
Yeah, that's gonna be something.
Funny enough, I don't think we would suffer this much on Ruby. Not that I'm preaching the idea, by the way, I'm not.
Oh no. What is that website that we? Oh, here. Oh, this is just a quick start guide. Exception. We don't have exception. Try. Try it out.
Try it out here. Cool.
Everything that we need. We don't need anything else than this. Oh no.
I don't even know how to make tries and catches in Erlang. So error handling.
Yeah, that's something.
I'll search for error handling. There is something here. Oh, there is, man.
Oh, there is.
Yes, there is error handling. I'll send you the link. It's better. It's on LFA Gitbooks. There.
Oh, by the way, Nathan, you were not here when we discovered, like, by try and error, we discovered pattern matching.
That's funny.
Wow, I was.
No, no, that was the first session. I don't think you were here.
Oh, you don't
Yeah, the
mean like
first
right
session
now?
was.
The listing?
Yeah, no.
No,
I
it
mean,
wasn't the
because
first
this
session.
thing here, pattern matching inside a body of a function, like,
It's
because
not in the docs.
yeah.
Mm.
we discovered,
They
we
just
tried
use
try and
they
error.
just display pattern matching in like function arguments,
But
but not inside a body.
what do you mean
Yeah.
by docs, man? It's so obvious. Of course it's
Oh
that
yeah,
way.
yeah, of course. Yes.
Okay, so what do you think is the error handling part in here?
I don't know.
Oh,
Let's read,
okay.
man. We need to read. Wait. Before we go into details about the supervision, blah 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 blah. A process. Oh no, you gotta be joking me. Is supervision and error handling. I'm kind of concerned now because if the supervision is not something we want to do, but we should if we're using Erlang to do stuff.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm not sure if he's talking about the same error handling that we are, man.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
I
doesn't
think so.
seem like it.
I think it is like error handling in terms of like supervisors restarting a process.
Can we
You know?
search in here?
I don't know.
No search. We need to find
Up there, man. Type to search.
oh, here.
Oh man, it's such a bad.
Uh Okay, if you type exceptions, only this, nice. If you type try, matching guards, more about lists, tuples, conditions. Yeah, there's only one section about error
How
handling, which
about
is
we
this
do
one.
algebraic effects in LFA just to test? What do you think, Nata?
Oh, nice.
Sounds easy, man.
Except that we don't have the algebra to do it. That's the problem. Really.
What surprises me is the fact that we have a bunch of menus for LFA and none of them has the error word in it. Only the
Yes, like
introduction. Like I don't
the
understand.
word doesn't exist. Like they, but it kind of makes sense because, dude, the Erlang philosophy is to not handle errors. Like just, I
I
don't know
have
if
a
it's not
question
to
though.
handle, but
What
it
was
is to
that
fail.
trick to see documentation of a function in the repo in Lisp? Do you remember that?
Wait, just a
Uh,
second. What is the
describe.
intention on the
Because
error handling?
the intention is if we will receive an empty
Yeah, but can't
thing.
you check
Oh, we
if
can
it's
check
new?
first. Yeah, we can check first.
Well, yeah, let's do
Nantan's
that.
really a genius.
We can do that, I
Man,
guess.
you should see me coding Ruby.
Uh,
Okay, so how do we check that? So probably there's a function for that, I guess.
well, we can pattern match. I think.
Pattern match.
Yeah, we can pattern match with an empty list. If the list is
Okay, that's
empty,
fair. Okay, so case. This and this. Okay, so this one is empty. So I would guess something like
a new
this.
list inside. Yeah.
And then here we need to return a tuple with, I don't know, the same input. Who cares? And then we can put a failure.
Wait,
With
aren't your
Instead
parentheses a
of
bit
not
weird?
yes, they are. Those two expressions should be inside the same parentheses.
you
Just
mean
jump the tuple inside the first.
you mean like this?
Yes, and remove one. And remove
Remove
the
one.
green. Remove the green between the list. Yes, this one.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
But one thing, shouldn't that be a empty string instead of an
We.
empty list
Oh, you mean
in the
literally an
pattern
empty
match?
string like this?
Yes.
That's fine. Okay, we don't know yet if we can pattern match like with the head and the tail, right? We don't know how to do
Yeah.
that. Oh, that's actually a good use case for this list. Can we do that? Oh, we have first. We have first and rest. That's something.
Ooh, what
Isn't
about
that
matching the
hard covered?
cons?
Oh yes, we can match combs.
But that.
Well, that's the same thing, man.
Yeah, but it is kind of meh. More about lists. Head and tail. Who needs cones? But he's not teaching us how to fucking pattern match it. Why? You know
No,
that this
just
language only
case.
has that. Why?
Try case, and then you do combs in it, man. Try there on the terminal, man. Stop reading. Don't read. Just do.
Follow your feelings.
Stop reading. Just act. Copy that case up there. I think it's easier. The F
This?
right. The print talk.
Oh, the print talk one. Okay, this. Here.
Everything here is just disaster, but it feels like I'm going insane little by little. Change the A to cons.
Cones like this.
Yeah, no, inside the list right now.
Inside the list.
Make a new list.
You said the A, and now it's not the.
No,
Sorry.
parentheses. Open parentheses.
Like you have the pattern and the
Cons.
branch, right?
Cons AB. That. Okay, so now try to print A. No. There needs to be a list. So do the trick. Open
Okay, like
parentheses.
this?
No, parentheses. But this is not a list, so you
Yeah.
need to do a back quote.
Or this, no?
I don't think. Yeah, I don't know if that works.
Oh, a back quote.
Yeah,
This.
back quote and then comma before the A.
This is terrible.
Yeah. Fun. Okay.
Yeah, so it
does.
works.
I get it. In like dynamic language, man, don't you have a better print than only to do formatted prints?
I don't know, man. I remember that there is another one. There's another right, but I think it's on the way it handles, because see that okay? That okay thing is for pattern matching the thing. So I remember trying to use the right only, and I don't know how it writes to strings or whatever.
Wait. Oh no, this is
And
correct.
I
This
always
is just
see everybody
head.
just using that, so I don't know.
Yeah, this is just head.
But yeah, I think so. If you have a dynamic language, it shouldn't matter, right?
Then success. We need to create a new input here. I don't remember how to do that. Do you remember? Make input.
What do you mean? Input? Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna
Text.
be beautiful.
Tail. Is that almost it, I guess?
I think so. Yes. That ended up looking actually pretty beautiful.
Mageta, what is the proposal of LFE, man, besides S expression?
I think that's it.
Oh no.
I don't know, man. I think that's it. I don't see any other benefits actually.
Well, I think it's enough reason because
Go to their website, Lemus. Go to their website. LFA.io. Let's read. They
I think
sell
it's a
their
fair
fish
reason, man, because their language just has a really weird syntax.
Yes, I think it is.
LFA.io.
.io. Yeah. Okay, they're there. LFE features. Let's read. Alien technology. Go down there. Let me read, man.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
I thought you were showing this.
That John McCarty shared alien tech with the world in '58 when he introduced us to Lisp. We continue that great tradition. Functions and variables with separate namespaces is a Lisp too. Low hygiene macros. from what I remember, a low hygiene macro. Is it a macro, like the side effects in a macro? I don't remember, but anyway, gotta take a look into that.
Yeah.
Homoiconicity, I don't know what that is as well.
Isn't the thing
Hygienic
about
macro.
like dealing with code as
Expansion
data?
is
Yeah,
guaranteed
yeah, you're correct, man.
not to capture of identities. Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
That sounds like it was written by a Lisp developer, man.
Oh, homoiconicity, the code as data. That makes sense, right? That makes sense. In REPL function and macro definitions, core Erlang foundations. All the benefits of Erlang with none of the prologues. So they know the pain. They know no global data, no mutable data, pattern matching and guards, compiler and interpreter, hot upgrading of deployed code. Oh, that's actually good. The panorama of languages. I don't know what that means. Uh,
Ooh, that's a link.
There's
oh,
a
it's a
video
movie.
for it.
Oh!
What the heck? By
Didn't
the
I
way,
send
you're
the
gonna
first
get
part of
you're
that?
gonna get a strike. You're gonna get a strike.
Sorry?
I mean, not. You're probably gonna get a strike by loading the video.
Why?
Wow, YouTube. It's a dictatorship.
That's not how it works, but let's just continue here.
No global data. Okay, we read that. So the ability to generate distributed applications full of releases in mere minutes. If you know how to code, probably should be fast. Fault tolerant, massively scalable, extreme concurrency, soft real time, open telecom platform. Language lab. Experiment with creating distributed systems in new ways. Create DSLs on demand. Take advantage of 1,000 cores without having to change your code. Easily write your own compilers.
Oh no.
There's
That
one
doesn't sound
feature.
right.
There's one feature that is should be here, but it's not, which is no documentation.
Oh yeah, that's another.
Like your documentation, Nathan, pretty much are those. Like here it
That's
is,
another.
you're done.
I
But
think you are not
I
really
don't.
good at marketing. You should have their intuitive API.
um,
Yeah, that's more true. Yes.
that's a
uh,
very very misleading way of saying no documentation. But okay.
Well, that's why.
It's very very misleading. Holy crap. But okay, how do we run this again? I already
uh,
forgot. Yeah, it's working nice.
I'm not looking. I'm just looking at the stuff. But dude, like, I think the part of the like easily write a compiler is not really false because like writing a compiler in Lisp, if you know if you're used to Lisp properly, it's not something very hard. There's this article from I think Paul Graham that he talks about the language he made, the arc scheme. And I think that there's the entire code, like the entire compiler. I don't think it's just an interpreter, not a compiler.
Well, if you are saying like as any other high level language, sure. But we
Yeah,
compare with
but
other languages that are much easier, right?
yeah, but I'm just saying, like, I don't think it's as painful. I don't know, man. That depends. I kind of don't see the benefit now that I think of it. Like, I think you can do an interpreter of the same thing in like F sharp very easily, so I don't see the benefit. Indeed. Okay. Okay, so we have any char.
Yeah, I'm trying to compile and I'm having an error. I don't know how.
Function main is undefined.
Nice.
Oh, change the new.
Oh, it's because I
The
don't
new
have.
is
But
evil.
this was working, man. How
I don't know.
is this
It might be
possible?
the version. Might be the version. I'm using another OTP than yours.
Okay.
Oh,
LFA.
could it be the module?
Yes, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. I think it
the
is
module
the.
comes out before. Oh, but in Lisp, I think that. Oh, change the 1 to 0.
Change the 1 to
Or just
0.
add a argv to the main.
No. Prefer doing this.
It just nukes it.
Still error.
Function. Oh, because the
Function?
module probably is already defined, isn't it?
Man,
Are you saving this file?
uh, Yeah.
Yes, bro.
No. That was I already saved it
Yeah.
before. We can try
I don't
again.
know,
Right,
Rick.
ready.
We can try again if you're doubting me. Here it is.
Oh, yes, but now the main error is gone.
I don't know, but what about the other ones?
36. Yeah, they are different
36.
errors.
36. Yeah, it's this one again. Comment. Unknown
Unknown
form.
form. Yeah, that's the.
Should we start
Wait, why is it
commenting?
parented?
Comment. Just comment. Yeah.
Oh,
I just wanted to make. Yeah, it's like it's my package to make it
what the fuck?
make my parent to make the parentheses go away, right?
Yeah. And I saved this one, and it didn't work. Unknown form 52.
Yeah, now it's
52?
other. Yeah, just comment
The
those
crap?
comments.
Oh, there's two! Okay.
Yeah, that's true. But there's other stuff breaking, man. Oh no, it's 76. What is 76?
76. Oh, it's this.
Why do we
Now
have
let's
this comment
comment.
macro, man?
It was basically to just like compile and let the code there so we can select the code if you wanna test something.
Ah, finally.
Wait, but like the normal comment that Lemon is doing?
No. Because on that, if you try to copy, it will be with the semicolon in the beginning. So that was
Oh,
annoying.
I see.
I tried making a macro for that, but on compilation it's breaking for some reason.
Am I doing this right?
Knife. Parser run is not inside the thing. So you need to do knife, column, parser run.
Oh.
And then,
Okay.
yeah. And then knife
I need
again.
to do that. Ah. Oh no.
Make input. I think you need on the make input as well.
How nice. And
Beautiful.
still doesn't work.
Char is unbound.
Is a mount. Interesting. Def fun any char.
Is unbound. You compiled the vis, right?
Unbound.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Yeah, no, any char is totally unbound. But
It is
this is
a
right, right?
symbol. It's understanding as a symbol.
Which is definitely not, right?
Try passing with a function form. Like do the same shit. Like meta p again, and add after
After
slash
which?
two.
Oh, here?
No man, after the thing. The arity. Slash one. Sorry, it's the arity.
But
Yeah.
that doesn't. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. But if this is a function, which I'm surprised, shouldn't have parentheses?
No, you're not evoking the function. It's just to run inside, right?
Do you need to do something like annotate with any symbol before the function name?
Annotate with the functions.
Yeah, as you are passing the function or some weird lisp thing?
What is weird is that we
That's
are doing
the
basically the
thing.
same thing as this. And this was working.
No, but that is calling something. That's slightly different. Add before the knife. Add a hashtag. No, quote hashtag.
Quote hashtag like
No, no,
this?
before the function, right, Namus? Not there, man.
No, you
I
said
think
before
it's
the knife.
hashtag. No, no, before the knife on the second, though, the
Oh,
any
okay.
char. So hashtag quote.
Like this?
I think it was like that, right? Enter. Illegal.
Illegal characters.
Dude, change that character, the slash inside the name.
You think it's that the
Just
problem?
change that shit, man. Change that shit. Because we were adding the slash on the others because it makes sense for the parser, but for their okay.
This first? Didn't work?
Illegal characters. Try swapping the order. Oh, I think the order is different. It's quote hashtag.
How do I go? Oh, like this. Yeah.
Quote hashtag. Yes.
Illegal characters. Yay.
Ooh.
Yeah, so apparently we don't know what's happening. Knife char
Oh, but
is
wait.
unbound. We are doing
No,
something
but wait.
really
Try to
wrong, man.
call it like normally, like loosely.
Loosely, you mean like
Yeah,
this?
like inside parentheses with a knife.
Undefined function 0.
Don't you need to bind the new input there?
Need to bind a new input.
Oh no, that's actually not the point, right? Because the
Yeah.
parser run will pick a parser, which is in char.
Yes. Yes. I'm basically doing the same thing that we were doing here.
So add the knife before that, and pass a character like a. Oh man, that's wrong. Space a, like a string. String. Yeah. Because that thing by itself is not a character, right? It's not a parser. It is only a parser if you apply a character to it. You see the point?
Wait,
Wait.
Lemos. Can you take
So
a look?
on the parser run, it's wrong because you're not calling it as a. You're just sending a function there. That's not how you're supposed to do. You're supposed to send the parser itself, which is after the call of the function.
Go on, Nathan.
Magenta, but in both cases they are functions, right?
No, the one case it is a parser, and the other case it is a function.
And is the parser a
The
function?
parser has a function inside it.
Oh, okay.
So that's the difference. It's the same case with the bind. So try to do the following. Go up.
Yeah, but that doesn't
Metapin.
look like the problem that we are having. We are having problem to pass
Yeah, it
anything.
doesn't.
But Lemos, take a
We're
look
getting
on the high order functions documentation of the LFE Gitbook. You have a section on high order functions.
Nice. Forthcoming. Tutorial 16.
Future
17.
generations. Future
So
generations.
we just
Yeah,
need
but
to
I have a
know
question.
how
I
to
have a
get
I
that.
have a question. I guess.
Where are we using the char?
Oh, wait. I think it's just a lack of parentheses.
And one thing, where are we using the char?
Here.
No, inside the function, the any char. We're not using the char.
Oh, yeah. It is the input. The char is a text which is inside an input, right?
So the function should. So this thing should not have any parameter, right? The char. Any char should have nothing.
Any char should have nothing.
Yeah, it shouldn't have a char as parameter.
Oh, you mean here? Yeah. We're done. You're correct. Okay. Then we do
Still wrong.
this.
That's still wrong.
Bad form application now.
Wait a minute. Dude, you need to send the parser. You're not sending the parser. Look at the parser bind. Dude, look at the
parser.
code. Look,
this is a parser. Can we agree on that?
Yeah. What is it sending? It's making a parser. Yes. What you're doing there is not applying the function. You're trying to send the funny char, which is a function. It's not a parser.
Which is a function.
See what I mean? You need to send the parser, which you get after you run the function. Like
Can parser
bind. Okay, let's do it again. Parser bind. If you
forget the parser bind. Forget the parser bind.
Dude, I'm making an equivalence. Parser bind, you call it using a function, and a parser, and that spits a parser. You're not sending the function parser bind to the parser run. Correct?
Yes.
On the any char, it's the same case. You need to run any char, which is a function itself, that will spit a parser, and that parser you send to the parser run.
So you're saying that
so you're lacking one parenthesis between the knife and the char. That's it.
You're lacking one parenthesis between the knife and the char.
Yes, there.
Here?
And yes, and I think the parentheses are all wrong now. now you remove one parenthesis in the beginning,
You remove one in the beginning.
and that's it. But I think we're having problems with importing that crap. Undefined function. Yeah, so the import is not working for that in char. Try to compile everything again. Save first. Save first because it gets from the disk. Yeah. Because you changed the name, so probably that was the problem.
Undefined function still.
Just eval instead of compiling. Try doing that. Like select everything.
You select everything. Oops.
And Control C, Control R.
Okay,
Yeah. Now
everything.
try running normally without the shitty knife.
Oh, without the shitty
routing
knife. Sorry.
Yeah.
So meta this.
Control D, Control D. Yeah.
Yeah, that's faster actually. Control D. No, meta is faster.
Your Control G is not set, I think. It should set on multiple cursors.
Oh yeah, multiple clusters are not working in this Emacs for some reason. I don't know yet.
Okay, we got it ran, but we got an error.
And the formatting totally nuked. They're expanding this.
So make input text 123.
That's interesting.
Should we send position as well?
Oh yeah, I think we do.
I don't think. Try making a input without the position. See what happens. I don't think it should break. Make input.
But you are not passing yet. But you are not passing yet, right? The input to the NHR. Or
I am passing. No, I am passing the input. Like, take a look here. You see, what we're doing is there is a function inside this guy. In order to grab the function inside
can you show me the definition of NHR?
Yeah. This here.
It's just the input.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is we need to get this lambda, basically, right? So we call parser run in order to get the lambda. And then with the lambda on hand, that's why I added the parentheses between those two before. And then we make an input and pass that to the lambda. That should be it. Easy. But something is happening that's totally breaking the thing. I don't know why.
Run it again with the screen size greater so we can read the message. That's totally cursed. Oh, it didn't help anything.
Yeah,
okay.
No. It's totally
breaking. Function clause char make input env. Script name blah 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 parser run. The fun char the parser run char make input describe macro.
You're expanding. That's super weird.
Pro vertical reader. If you start using monitors in sideways, that's what happens.